Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have some leftovers and absolutely no real idea what I'm going to do other than throw some paint down on the canvas. This is a Meeden white that's not coming out very well. This is a Meeden black. It's coming out a lot better. I might take a spatula, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, in fact, and spread some paint right to my edges. And then do the same thing with a clean spatula to the white. Scrape that down. Maybe I'll just use the opposite side of it. It's just basically to move paint anyway. Who knows what's going to happen now. I have a bunch of paint that's left over. That I want to use up. And this is where I'm starting. There's folk art, color shifting red in there. There's Hobby Lobby brand orange, several of them, lightened with, and yellow. And there's a Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold that has orange in it. And I have got about as much paint out of that pan as I can get. So I'm going to give up, throw it in the bucket. And then I'm going to take my other container, which has purples and blues and pinks. And use it as a starting place. Ooh, those are pretty colors in my shovel. Wicked, wicked pretty. I'm inclined to just use whatever color comes to my mind to go in here. I don't think I'm going to swipe, but the jury's still out on that. I could. Might be really weird. I think I want some turquoise. Assuming it'll come out. I'm just putting it in the gaps. And then I'm going to use some blue, Venetian blue. Also, whoops, also in the gaps. Maybe a little bit more of the neon pink from folk art. Kind of like that, actually. Not sure what good I'll do if I blow it around. Good question. What's going on? Maybe just the outside edge. Oh, I got a tail. I think it's in the paint. Yes, it is in the paint. So now I get to decide what to do because that looks pretty cool. I don't think my airbrush is plugged in right now. Although it's not that hard to make sure it does get plugged in. I suppose I could Dutch pour, but I don't really want to. So I'm just going to take my airbrush for a start. just with the gold. Well, I thought it was going to be just the gold. Maybe it'll be more. That just makes me want to put some of the Amsterdam black in there. And maybe some Anita's white metallic too. No idea what I'm doing, but I am having some fun with my airbrush. I could still tip this. I could do a lot of things. I could put chain in here. I could put a golf ball in if I had one handy, and I don't. Sorry. So that's still kind of cool, but I'm thinking that maybe if I take one of these tools that has a nubby on the end, throw a few spirals in there, see what happens. Sometimes I just have to play. That might make a really nice swipe in a second. It's an odd day. I'm odd and it's odd. So, that begs me to do something like what? Like, put some purple in there. Grab a swipe card. Grab a smaller swipe card. Put some black, Amsterdam black on there. And just have some fun. I need some more. This was all about using up my paint. That airbrush will take care of anything that ails you right off quick. I have a little tool. The white that was on the bottom came right back up. I might like this anyway. You might want to tip it anyway because there seems to be quite a bit of paint on there. That's just a little piece of acetate duct taped to a half a skewer. It's bent. I'm hoping that there will be a video someday. I think I'm going to add whatever paint I want and call it almost done, whatever it is. I have enough paint falling down on the tile to cover things. I will probably torch this in a second. I like that orange. I kind of miss having some of that red though. Let's put a little tiny bit of red right there. And another tiny little bit right there. And I can fill in this black. I'm going to call that good, I think. Maybe. So I love you guys. There's over 13,000 of you. Or I keep saying that, but it's not true. Almost. I was zooming along for a month and then everything went back to the way it was, which is really confusing to me. Not sure that was right. Nothing a little more won't cure. Alright, so I love you guys. There's 19 lists of 100 videos. There might even be 20 lists by now. And there's other lists, playlists. You can find them by going to all playlists, created playlists, all playlists. And you can look for topic and genre. And if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me. I've got it. I've got it saved and stashed and ready to share. I have a brand new venue for my nicer patterns. I've put them on a place called The Gallerist, which is fashion clothing made in Montreal. It's beautiful dresses. It's definitely some high-end beautiful stuff. If you're looking to spend less money but still get something remarkable, check out my Teespring clothing below the video for all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you can't find what you're looking for there, I can add it if you ask me. I think I'm going to wait until you've gone to finish my edges. Right now, I'm thinking about a straw. Blowing that out. I've got some beautiful cells and I think I'm about to get some more when I torch, but we'll see. I don't know if I want those spirals there, actually. So we'll just diffuse them a little bit. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Thank you very much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Check the exhibition video that's on the end screen of every video for the monthly drawing, and the prizes will be shown at the beginning. I've got some pretty cells. I'll probably have more. I probably should have torched first. Anyway, this is what I do with leftovers. I just have my way with them. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. I can't remember if I asked you for that or not. But the Linktree link below the video has has pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. It also has my website and Saatchi Art. And like I was saying, I think Le Gallerist is the very top link. I think it says something about fashion clothing. I'm going to try and remember to change it and put the word Le Gallerist first. Alright, I'm fussing. I like this. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Sometimes I'm lucky and they make patterns also. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, so when they get left heavy, they don't crack when they dry. Love you guys very much. I'm glad you're here. You inspire the heck out of me. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. And those two little white spots are bugging me, so they gotta go. I think they're a pounce away. Just pounce the end of a skewer. They become a lot less significant. Alright. Wow, this is just getting better and better as I look at it. This is cool. What am I forgetting? Teespring clothing below the video. I told you that already. The community board has tomorrow's video on it, and so does the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Facebook. If I forgot something, like, you can ask me questions. Please feel free to ask me questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying don't forget to shop my Amazon link. It helps me out at no added cost to you, and my 2 books are there, and a whole lot of great tools. Bye for now. Priscilla out.